Hey guys, so excited. Book 2 is here. That's right, my second book, Salty Walt's Next Level Antenna Sketchbook is here. And wow, I'm so excited. I don't know what more I could say. Next week at Dayton Hamvention, as I film this, it'll be there. You'll be able to hold it in your hand and see it and buy it, as well as you can go on right now and do the pre-order and you'll get it right after Hamvention from the ARRL site. I'll put the link below if you're interested. Really excited about this book. Now you're asking, what is the second book? Okay, first book was a lot of wire antennas mostly, and then portable, trying to show you how to get out portable and build an antenna and have some fun with. Now the second book takes it to the next level. More advanced, I should say, but not really overly complicated. Anyone can build the antennas in this book as well and take your antenna building to the next level. If you've been a ham for only 2 or 3 years, you'll probably have really enjoyed the benefits of being up at the top of solar cycle 25. Well, this isn't going to last forever. Might get another year or two of pretty good operations and times where you can just like throw a wire in a tree and have some fun. But as we go down to the bottom and we come out of this, it's going to get tough. And the fun's still going to be there, but your antenna is going to matter a whole lot more. And I kind of want to take that as we move on and we become better at building antennas, take that with us. So when other people are frustrated and, their infed half wave that they're throwing over the tree in the backyard is not doing the trick, we'll have the antennas that will. And that's really what this book's all about. There's all kind of great antennas in there. 3-element vertical Yagi from wire and poles. Beamforming with a half square antenna and a bobtail curtain. On and on and on. Just a lot of great antennas you can build there. So that's what the book's all about. Very similar to the first book with a few different things. First book was about the culture of getting out. A lot of the saltwater type stuff with me in the first book, with after I get out and go to a seafood shack and having a bowl of chowder or some oysters, or after that was in that book. This book still me, but now the parts that are going to fill up after the antennas are my portable radio collection. All the radios that I use I cannot get rid of all my radios. I have gotten rid of a few, but you'll get to see, I kind of break down some portable ops with every radio that I've used and my thoughts on it, what it was like, and what the radios are like. So a little section of there. So building the portable antenna, but you kind of get if you're thinking about different stuff like the G90 or the, on and on, USDX and those type of things, all that will be in there as well. So kind of quick little blurbs in the back, just like you saw in the first book with the food. Now it's about the little small radio. So that's in there. That's the breakdown of the book. It will be at Dayton next week, and you'll be able to hold it in your hand and buy it. And if you are in Dayton and you have that book or my old book or any book and you want me to sign it, I'll be signing it. So please come and see me. I will be in the ARRL area, exhibit area. My book signing times, I'll sign it anytime if you can find me, but if you really, the time to do it will be Friday. I'll be signing it from 12:30 to 2 there in the ARRL area. Saturday, I'll be signing from 1 to 3. And then Sunday, I'll be signing from 11 to noon. So come by there and purchase the book. I'll sign it. If you have my old one, I'll sign it. There will be vendors there with my old one. If you want that first book, just bring it. And I'd love to meet you. And don't be a stranger. I love it when I'm at Hamvention or any of the events for people to just come up and act like you've known me forever. I want to know you. So we'll take pictures together, meet, talk antennas, and I love that. And if you do that, please, if we take pictures together, please send it over to my social media. So I like at the end of this, when the Hamvention is over with, I like to put a wrap up video together and show pictures of everybody I met, kind of scroll through it. So my Coastal Waves and Wires Facebook page. Another thing about that page, I'll kind of give updates. I know I'm going to be in the DX engineering area for a little bit. I'll tell you when I'm there via my social media there, my Facebook, Coastal Waves and Wires. Also, the ARRL has a great app, in their event app. If you get that, you'll also know when I'm signing. You'll also know when my forum is, and we'll talk about that. I have a forum on Friday from 11 a.m. to 12:20 is my antenna building forum, and that is in room 2. So come, if you're going to be there Friday, come on by, and you'll be able to see that as well. That will be, I believe, filmed by the good people there at Hamvention and be available on YouTube. But love to meet you and love to say hello and just enjoy it. I don't do a lot of YouTube stuff while I'm there. I am going to do one thing this time, but I like to put the cameras away and just enjoy myself. There's so many other YouTubers that will be live streaming, so go watch their live stream. You can see what's going on, because I'll be honest with you, everything will be filmed by other YouTubers. I just like to go and enjoy myself, say hello to everybody, see people, meet people, look for cool radio stuff and that thing. With that said, one thing I'm going to do, and I'll probably film a good part of it, is I'm really hunting down my Hamvention this year as I'm trying to decide between the IC705 or the FTX1 from Yaesu, the ICOM or the Yaesu. I'm going to put all brand loyalties aside or whatever. I truly want I got to pick between those two. I know they're both awesome radios, but I'm going to fly somewhere with it, and I want it to be my my radio to go, to go overseas with. And I want to use it a lot this summer to get real familiar with it. So I'm going to make up my mind. I'm going to go to the ICOM booth. I'm going to go to the Yaesu booth. I'm going to look at them hard, get everything I can, talk to some really strong, knowledgeable people from DX Engineering, and find out what it's, which one do I want? And that's, that's going to be my goal at Hamvention. If you've never been to Hamvention and you're going, kind of get in your mind what you're looking for, because there's so much you're going to be overwhelmed. I mean, it is just incredible. It really is. All the new stuff that's in the buildings, the flea market area out around the racetrack there is just amazing. So I'm so excited. I'm stoked, but I'm really stoked about the book. You can pre-order it now and have it. I'll put the link below from the ARRL. But please come see me and check out the book. Come see me at the forum. I'm just so excited about it. Now, with that said, you're probably saying, what is that? This will be available too, merch. This is from the ARRL. These are hats, the Salty Waltz hats. They're going to be there as well. They also are going to have some T-shirts if you want. These will be available after as well, but you'll be able to get a Salty Waltz Coastal Cruise T-shirt. I tell you what I love about this was my idea, and they put it on there for me. Is like grab a wire and catch the waves. So there you go. I'm really these are cool. These will be at Hamvention as well. So there, excuse me. There you go. I'm so excited. I can't talk. There you go. That's it. Book is here. Hamvention. Can't wait to see everybody. This is the event for me every year. I love it. I'm just so excited about it. With that said, as well, talking about the book, if you don't have the first book, pick it up and bring it with you, and kind of get into it. You'll see what it's all about. I mentioned in the first book that was the Mozart. That was not the Mozart of antenna books. It was the Jimmy Buffett book. Well, this next one, it's the second album. The songs are only better. Trust me, guys. Really, I think you'll enjoy it. All right, guys. I will see you there. Don't be a stranger. See you next week in Dayton at Hamvention. Till then, stay salty, my friends.